Hey guys, and welcome to this very special video where I'm going to be showing you a case study that I've been working on for the last few months. This is Mattressland. Mattressland has been built on a domain that has maybe 10 to 15 years on it, so it's like an older domain. And basically what this is a partnership with someone, and we built the website and we're just seeing how it performs. So this is a very simple model, right? It's just products, collections, and everything else built around it. So this is a tried and tested method that I've told people to do over and over and over. Now I'm going to be doing it again. I'm going to be opening a few e-commerce brands just because I find it fun, to be honest with you. There's a lot of ways to make money online, but there's nothing quite as satisfying as selling something. I don't know what it is. I just really enjoy it. I've always wanted to have a shop and things like that. So like having my own shops online is basically the same thing. Okay, so the first thing that you might ask yourselves is this making sales? So you can actually see here, it is, right? So the first page they visited was /collections/orthopedic. I want to remind you guys, there's no paid ads on this store at the moment. So I'm going to give you kind of the second stage of doing one of these websites. The first stage, I'll show you right now. This will all be in a playlist in the description of this video. But basically the first part of this is to create your collections. Now, creating products is a little bit more difficult for me to show you how to do that, right? But I have these two videos here. So yeah, so far there's this video here, which is how to do SEO for a new Shopify store. Then there's this one here, this new SEO automation AI toolkit is insane, which by the way, you can also get in the description of this video. Basically what this does is it creates collections for you. It's the only kind of Shopify SEO system that just actually automates your SEO and actually grows your traffic. I'm going to show you a bit of that in this video. So this video is going to be more about kind of results so far, etc. So we're going to have a look at the Search Console. We're going to have a look at the new collections that I literally made 2 days ago and see how they're ranking, etc., etc. Now I haven't had a proper look at that just yet, so we'll definitely be looking at that in a minute. If you want to use an agency instead of doing all of this yourselves, then yeah, feel free to click one of these links on the GitHub. Again, the GitHub is in the description of this video. But as usual, I'm giving you everything that you need to do this yourselves. I just wanted to mention that we also do offer these services. The links for those services will also be in the description of this video. Right, so let's go to Search Console. So this is the Search Console. It has only just been added very, very recently, but you can see a nice growth pattern, right? So 307 impressions, 312, 279, 300, 274. So what I mean by growth pattern, that's not really a growth pattern. If I click last 24 hours, you'll see the last 24 hours is an all-time high of 378 impressions. This is a very, very good sign. And if we sort by impressions, there are actually some insane keywords here, like orthopedic mattress, right? So we're currently in the UK, we are ranked, because this is a UK website, just to clarify. We are page 5 for orthopedic mattress, right? Which is pretty crazy when you think about it. Now you can put average position here and you can just scroll through some of these and we can just have a look. So pocket spring contract mattress, we are ranked 14. Organic cotton mattress, we're ranked 16. Orthopedic mattresses, plural, 17 impressions, right? And that's page 2. We are on page 2. So imagine if we were on page 1, right? How many impressions that could be. Could be 100, could be 150, kind of hard to say. So there's some really, really good keywords here with a lot of keyword volume. There's definitely a lot of potential in this business to start selling a lot of mattresses. But what I really wanted to look at is, can something completely generated by my AI system rank on Google? So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to add a filter with a new page, or we're going to do /collections, right? Because I only created collections. And then I'm just going to look to see, sort by impressions. I'm going to look and see if any of these are new. So I should be able to tell just by looking at them, or if I open them. The way to tell is the ones that I made have huge, long descriptions and titles, whereas the ones that were made originally they don't have that. So like this just says orthopedic mattress, right? So this was made manually by our developers. This was made by me. So I can just tell immediately which ones are made by me. This got 19 impressions on its first day on Google, right? Which is completely crazy. Luxury mattress. We are ranking after 1 day. Literally after 1 day, we're ranking for luxury mattress, right? This system is crazy interesting. I'm so excited to see where this goes. So we'll just check a few more here. I can tell immediately what's made by me. That wasn't made by me. Let's just open this one. Here's another one made by me. Sleep quality enhancement. Very interesting. There are no keywords here yet, which means that might have just been me searching for the website on Google using search operators. It's hard to tell. Let's open this one up. This one looks like it's one made by me. Yes, it is. Breathable mattress cover. Let's see. Well, I don't know what the hell that keyword is. No. So in a week's time, this will be even more interesting to look at. But you can see already that, you know, this is another one that was made by me. I remember specifically making this this collection. So I just want to see if we're actually ranking anywhere for this. Let's have a look. I have a sneaky feeling that we'll be here somewhere, but maybe not. No, we're not. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about our process so far on the creation of this website, etc., etc. So the website went live. I think October. No, I want to say December 2024, right? So it went live in December 2024. We haven't started blogging. Only products plus around 8 collections were added. It was a 10-year old domain, not expired. So it was just an aged domain, right? So I'm beginning to think aged domains might be a good way to go because there's definitely an interesting case study. But just from this, right, within 2 months, the site, like from the 28th of February until the 8th of March, right? So 10 days ish, did £1,000, right? That's mad. That's actually mad for such little amount, right? I'm going to say little amounts of effort. Okay, there was a lot of effort put into this. Rowan designed the homepage. The company, the agency, created it. You know, this stuff isn't easy peasy, okay? But it's not that complicated. And the only thing that was given to us really is a product list, right? So literally to start a business like this, all you need is a product list, okay? So this here, I would say, is like the very infant stages of the project. However, because we saw that we had done £1,000, obviously that motivated us to do more. It motivated me. So and also I needed a case study to use the new with the new Shopify collection automator. So what did I do? I created another 100 plus collections. Oh, sorry, there is actually something missing from the list before, which is going to annoy some people. We also did backlinks. Okay. Now backlinks for us is basically a speciality. Okay. I will say right now, we're almost at this point a backlink agency just because the way that we do it is just amazing. It works, it really works. If you want backlinks, okay, but you don't have a huge budget, go on harborseo.ai, which is my SEO tool, and press configure now on the linker. You'll have to make an account, but I don't think you need to be a paid member to see this part. So just press configure now. It starts at 375. It's not a huge amount of backlinks, but for a small business, it can work wonders just to do this for a year, right? So you're investing about 4,000 over the year, but you're getting constant, consistent authority, right? And then obviously you can scale it up, totally up to you guys. But if you do want backlinks, it is an important part of our strategy. And I'll just show you the DADR, even though I hate DADR of the website. So mattressland.co.uk. You can see that the DADR, the DR, sorry, is 10 and the UR is 4. So we've been building backlinks since the beginning of the project. You can actually see if I go on backlink profile, you should be able to see that. Okay, so they actually go older, these backlinks, because it is such an aged domain, which is probably, to be honest with you, why aged domains work so well. But you can see more recently there's been like an increase. This is backlinking. This is what we do. This is our main strength as an agency, is backlinking. So if you do want backlinks, start with the Hometown Hero or maybe one of the other ones if you're kind of wanting to put a bit more money into it. But I just wanted to mention that because that is a pretty important part of this strategy. So the next part of the strategy is I'm probably gonna create more collections if possible, right? And then we're gonna start blogging, right? So and then continue backlinking, increase backlink budget, right? So this is like my playbook for growing an ecom. And by the way, I know what I'm talking about, okay? I know there's loads of fucking people on YouTube who make videos like this who have no idea what they're talking about. I just want to show you guys something just to kind of show that I do actually know what the hell's going on. This is a store that I made myself with no help from anyone else. Backlinks obviously were done by Craft for the last, I think, year and a half. But the way the website was built anyway, to be honest with you, it was already getting huge amounts of organic traffic. It still does get huge amounts of organic traffic. It's done 1 million this year with with a very small ads budget, newsletters, and just organic traffic, right? That's literally it. You can see it's doing almost 100 grand a month consistently and has been consistently for quite a long time now. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. I'm not trying to show off, I'm just trying to show that I actually know what the fuck I'm talking about, because I've seen so many videos like this where they don't really know what they're talking about. Now, if you don't believe that I made this website, there's not really much I can do for you, but there are videos on this channel showing me making this entire website. I even designed the website, and I'm not a designer. I'm terrible at designing. So I'm pretty happy with how this went, to be honest with you. And then obviously Craft, our agency, has been blogging, backlinking, etc., throughout 2023, 2021, 2025 now, okay? So this is the playbook that I've used consistently to grow businesses online like this, right? Just a few other points here that I'd just like to mention is social media is good, right? Parasite SEO authority is good, right? So posting on Cura and putting a link to your website, all of that good stuff. It is really, really good for your website. It really, really builds authority. Forums in the niche equal good, right? If you can get onto a forum and also Reddit and things like that, although I count that as social media. These are all good ways to basically for free show Google that you're a legit website, right? So without paying for backlinks, without doing this, without doing the other, just literally going on various, parasite SEO websites, social medias, etc., posting and bringing people from Facebook or whatever to your website is very, very powerful. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to talk about this quickly. I'm probably going to make a lot more videos about this particular case study just because I think it's really, really interesting. And it's not about Italian clothing, which is the first time I've done a case study like this, which is not about Italian clothing. So our goal for this website is kind of in, the 10 to 50,000 a month mark for now. Mattresses, obviously a huge seller. I don't know how many mattresses are sold every year in the UK, but how many mattresses are sold annually in the UK? It's probably a ridiculous number, right? So it looks like the revenue in the mattress market is projected to reach almost $1 billion in 2025, right? So to say 50 grand a month, it's not actually that crazy if you think about it, because let's just do some quick maths. What percentage of 1 billion is 50,000? Yeah, so we're asking for a 0.005% market share. Now, obviously, a lot of the sales of mattresses aren't online and et cetera, but I'm just showing you, the numbers are not that ridiculous when you think about it. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. This is my kind of blueprint that I've been doing for the last few months, last few years to grow e-coms online. We do this for a lot of clients. However, the kind of collection play isn't something we've done for clients, but it is something that we are looking at doing for clients very, very soon. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're watching all the way to the end of this video, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.